This is a code challenge for black. White's eye space is actually pretty big, so if black tries to reduce eye space like this, white can live like this, right? Guaranteeing an eye here and another real eye here. So number 1 will fail. Similarly, this move will fail because white can increase its eye space like this. And now there's not a whole lot black can do inside white's eye space. And because this Atari is Sente, right? This is an Atari black must capture, and white can build an extra eye here. So the shape is really not in favor of black. So you should consider moves like this one or this one. This will fail because white can still block here. If we play this, white will live this way. If black plays a number 3 here, white can actually just pull back and play this throw-in move and capture black like this. Black cannot connect, otherwise it will all die. So white is quite resilient after number 2. So the correct move is right here. Now white's objective is to try to catch black in a connect and die. So white should probably try this move, and black must play this. Now white can play this move. So how do we get to a ko, right? If white plays here, it will fail because black can connect here, and this will be a fake eye. And white cannot capture these black stones. And if white plays here, black can come in, right? So this is one way we can make a ko. Of course, black can still connect here. This is a local ko threat. White cannot connect here. If white connects, it's already dead. So white will have to try to capture 1 and 7 this way. So this is one way to start a ko. And another way is by white throwing in here at number 6. Now if black captures, white will be able to capture black eventually, right? Black cannot connect because white will capture black this way. But after number 6, however, black can cut here, right? Threatening to kill these 5 white stones. So white can capture this ko first, and black doesn't have any local ko threats, so it have to play elsewhere, captures back. Does white have any local ko threats? Not really. So this will be a ko like this. And if black wins, black can simply capture number 6, and white will all be dead here on the side. And if white throws in now, again, black cannot capture. If black captures, then we're back to one of the previous variations, where black will be caught in the connect and die. So black must connect here. Now where's the ko? The ko is right here, right? 4 and 6. It's an Atari against these 2 black stones, and black can capture this ko first. So if you're white, probably this is slightly better, because in this case, white gets to capture this ko first. Not a huge difference, but it might actually make a difference in real games when you don't have a whole lot of ko threats elsewhere on the board. So hopefully that makes sense, and please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck, and thank you for watching.